For chicken korma, I fry all the spices like onion paste, garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, chili powder, some yogurt, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper and poppy seed powder. Add some chestnut paste. I mix all these ingredients, fry the spices finely and add some chicken. I fry this chicken for 10 minutes, then add some water for boil. After adding water, I cook it for 15 minutes. Then I add some milk powder, some kevra water, then add some fried onion for flavor. Stir it. At last I add garam masala powder and finish my cooking.